The Service Theft Deterrent System warning in your Chevy Cruze indicates a problem with the vehicle's anti-theft system. This security system is designed to prevent unauthorized engine starting. This system relies on four key components working together. The Body Control Module, or BCM, is the central processing unit for security functions. The transponder key contains an encrypted chip for authentication. The ignition lock cylinder houses the transponder reader, while the engine control module receives authorization signals from the BCM to enable engine starting. The authentication process follows four critical steps. When you insert your key, the transponder sends a signal to the BCM, which then reads and validates the encrypted code. If authentication is successful, the BCM signals the ECM to enable the engine. However, a failure at any point in this process can trigger the warning message. Common causes of system failure include key and transponder issues, such as damaged chips or low batteries. BCM failure can result from internal faults or corrupted software. Wiring problems like corroded connectors and ignition system issues, such as faulty cylinders, can also trigger the warning. Understanding these components helps identify where the problem might be occurring. Remember, this integrated security system means that failure at any single component can prevent your engine from starting, making proper diagnosis essential. When facing the Service Theft Deterrent System warning, start with these DIY troubleshooting steps. First, test all available keys to identify if the issue is key-specific. The most common solution is replacing the key fob battery with a CR2032 lithium battery. This should be done every 2 to 3 years as preventive maintenance. If battery replacement doesn't solve the issue, try the key relearning procedure. This process takes about 30 minutes and must be done precisely. This procedure allows the body control module to relearn the key's transponder code. Be patient during the 10-minute waiting periods, as rushing will cause the procedure to fail. Another DIY solution is the battery reset method. This clears the vehicle's computer memory and can resolve temporary glitches in the theft deterrent system. If DIY solutions fail, use a GM-compatible OBD2 scanner to identify specific error codes. These diagnostic tools can pinpoint the exact cause of the problem. These error codes help determine whether the issue is with the key, the body control module, or the communication between components. Professional diagnosis is essential for complex problems. When the body control module fails, professional replacement and programming is necessary. This is the most expensive repair option, typically costing between $400 and $800. Prevention is always better than repair. Follow these maintenance tips to avoid future theft deterrent system problems and extend the life of your vehicle's security components.